Are you tired of clutter slowing down your Windows 11 PC? In this video, I'll show you a super fast way to uninstall any unwanted apps in just a few seconds. Let's dive right in. Start by heading to the Start menu. Just right-click on the Start button, or press it directly if you prefer. From the menu that pops up, go ahead and select Installed Apps. This will open a full list of all the applications currently installed on your system. Now, if you're looking for a specific app, you don't have to scroll endlessly. Just use the Search Apps input field at the top. For this example, let's say I want to uninstall an app called HomeBank. I'll type it into the search box, and just like that, it's filtered and shown. You'll see some useful info about the app, like the installation date and how much space it's taking up on your PC. Just next to that size information, there's a small 3 dots menu. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will pop up with a few options like Advanced Options, Move, and Uninstall. We're going for the Uninstall option, so click on that. You'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to remove the app. Click Uninstall again to proceed. Now, depending on the app you're uninstalling, there may be 1 or 2 extra steps. For example, you might see a dialog asking for confirmation. I'll just go ahead and click Yes here to accept. And just like that, the app is gone. Quick, easy, and your system is now 1 step closer to being clutter-free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and of course, subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple, smart Windows tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next one.